What would your boss find if you turned over the keys to your Facebook and Twitter accounts? No need to start deleting, and the lawmakers in Annapolis are taking control of that. It's all about protecting your privacy. Handing over your passwords to your social media sites is like somebody listening in on every phone conversation you have. Our man in Annapolis, Don Harrison, tonight with government fighting for your privacy.
Some people debate on whether to friend their boss on Facebook. Some bosses want a lot more than that. Some demand their employees give up their social networking sites' usernames and passwords so they can look at their friends, their pictures, their posts, and their personal messages. A Department of Corrections worker say it happened to him. He contacted the American Civil Liberties Union, and they're pushing to keep employers from asking for this very personal information.
My name is Melissa Goeman. I'm representing
Melissa Goeman is an attorney with the ACLU and testified today.
We definitely feel that this is too far-reaching, that it's very invasive of employees or potential employees' rights, because it's akin to looking at your diary.
I think it's a very clear violation of both the First and Fourth Amendments.
Senator Ronald Young is putting forth a bill that will make it illegal for employers to ask employees or job applicants for the username or passwords for any internet site or web-based account. He says what happened at the Department of Corrections is unacceptable.
Next thing would be, can I come into your house and read your mail? I just think it's wrong. It's unconstitutional. I think there's a federal law against it. And I was just shocked that a state agency would ask for that. And I think we should make it very clear that it's not permitted.
The ACLU questions whether the Department of Corrections had the right to ask for the password in the first place. The Department of Corrections has said they will stop that procedure for 45 days. In Annapolis, I'm Don Harrison for ABC 2 News.
And Facebook claims there are more than about 500 million active users on the site. Half of them log into their accounts on any given day. We want to know what you think right now. Should employers be allowed to demand you give up your username and passwords to social networking sites? Would you refuse to give up the information, even if it meant you could get in trouble? Give us your thoughts right now on our Facebook page, abc2news.com.